Good morning student. This is the class for 8th standard, subject social and topic name is economic first lesson, money, saving and investment. Okay, in already we have seen what is nature of money and functions of money we've seen. Okay, but today we are going to see about savings. Okay, what is the meaning of saving in simple term? Okay, ma'am, my mother will give money, ma'am. I can save it. I can save it for small amount of money, ma'am. That is okay, ma'am. Now, mama pa kudukra money la konjam save thokoma. That is called saving. Saving and same okay, in here we are going to see about savings a part of consumers from income and not current consumption. They will use it for, they will keep it for future use. Okay, but what they are saying means savings mean from our current income. Okay, we can put it for, we can deposit for some amount of money, not for today's use. Okay, not for current use. Okay, but we will use it for future use. Okay, next, in saving there will be various forms of account. Okay, here they are prescribed only 4 accounts. Okay, first account, the student saving account. Okay, the student saving account is nothing but when we are studying in schools, some bank offer some kind of offers. Okay, so that is called savings. First, this is opened by some banks offers for young people who are studying in high school and colleges. Okay, so what they are telling means saving account means some banks offer that for only for school student and college students in order to save the money. Okay, next, what is the purpose? To maintain main zero balance. Okay, but why they are giving this kind of offers from banks mean in order to maintain their banks from zero balance. Zero balance and zero balance இந்த மாதிரி ஆஃபர்ஸ்லாம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு கொடுப்பாங்க அப்படின்னா that is called saving accounts. Next topic is saving accounts. Next, saving accounts means this is opened by customers and to save a part of current income. Okay, so this is called saving account. This is saving accounts can be opened by any customers. Okay, in order to save the current income. Okay, current income one somewhat of amount they will keep it for future use and withdraw the amount. Okay, if there is any required amount they need me, they can able to withdraw that. Okay, our parents and all having this kind of accounts. Okay, they will have any kind of bank account. Okay, they will put it for some amount for savings, and if it is really requirement, they can be able to withdraw that amount. Some amount of they can able to require it. Next, and a small amount of interest, and also for some banks they will give interest for particular amount of savings. Okay, ஒரு சில banks என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, எவ்வளவு amount சேவ் பண்றோமோ அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஒரு சின்ன வட்டி கொடுப்பாங்க. That is called. Next, current account deposit. Current account deposit. Okay, this is opened by businessmen and traders and public authorities. Okay, this is only for specifically for businessmen and also traders, public authorities. Why they are giving this kind of account mean in order to convenient transaction. Okay, so next, frequent banking transaction. Transaction mean if any person doing business mean they can often transact the money. Okay, from one account to another account. So that is why this is only for business. Okay, current account deposit. Next, fixed deposit. Fixed deposit mean investor to be saved the amount. Okay, fixed deposit mean it is only specifically for those who are investing money and also they have to save the money. Okay, what is the main purpose mean they have to save the money. That is why many people open this kind of account. Next, also called term deposit. Okay, why they are calling term deposit mean they will put one amount for deposit and which is for period, one kind of period. Okay, within 1 year they will fix it. Okay, otherwise 2 years they will put deposit for that fixed amount. ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு 2 வருஷத்துக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஃபிக்ஸடா டெபாசிட் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்பாங்க. And that from the fixed deposit they cannot able to any withdraw money. Okay, they will not able to withdraw any amount. Okay, and the fixed deposit போட்டாங்கன்னா அவங்க என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, whenever they need they cannot able to take it. Okay, within the period is closed. Okay, next, benefits for saving. Okay, what is the benefit for saving? நம்ம சேர்த்து வைக்கிறதுனால என்னென்ன நன்மைகள் பார்ப்போம். Okay, financially independent. Financially independent means we cannot depend on any person for money. Next, not to worry about unforeseen expenses. Okay, unforeseen expenses nothing but we will not think about any circumstances. Okay, எதிர்பாராம நடக்கக்கூடிய செலவுகளுக்கு நம்ம யாரையும் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி வைக்க தேவையில்லை. Next, financially backup. Okay, if anybody lose their job means it is help them to save. Okay, next, circumstances if change. Okay, if any circumstance we will take it today's example. Okay, now example corona affected. Okay, many people not having any kind of job. Okay, if they save the money mean in this situation they can able to survive. Okay, by using saving money. Next, more comfortable when they retire. Okay, if it is when they are working time, if they save money mean when they retire mean it will be help them. Okay, next, save today for better tomorrow. Okay, if we save today we can live it for happily in tomorrow. They are telling that. Okay, next topic is intensity to save among the students. Okay, intensity means interest. Okay, how we have to give the interest for the student in order to save the money. Okay, first about taxes and accountability. Okay, that means if the student starts to saving money mean we have to teach them. Okay, what is this taxes for a particular amount, and also accountability means responsible. When they starting to save the money mean they have some responsible. Okay, next, grown up money decision. Okay, if they start saving money mean they have to take the decision. Okay, for the financial. Next, to apply for scholarship. Okay, to apply for scholarship mean if anybody studying, okay, in schools and colleges they will prescribe some kind of scholarship for the students. Okay, from that they can be able to have the interest among saving money. Next, budget and apply for the student loans. Okay, so after that they can the saving money is not enough for them means they can able to apply for the education loans and also any kind of loans. Next, teach them personally about saving. Okay, we have to personally from home and also from wherever they are studying, they have to we have to teach them about savings. Next, encourage students about Sanchayika scheme. Okay, Sanchayika is nothing but we have to in order to save, in order to spend some amount for anything, for eatable things. Okay, instead of spending money for some other thing, we can give opportunity. Otherwise, we can give some kind of interest among them to save the money. Okay, it will help them in future. Thank you, students.